Okay. The video is recording, huh? Yeah. Okay. Hey guys. Okay. Today I'm gonna play Creative Destruction, but without my friend Jake. And today's goal is to get 5 to 6 kills with one pistol. Yeah, you know I'm a noob, but I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it for the likes. I'm doing for the content. Okay, I need subs. I need to get 1,000 subs. Okay. I need 1,000 subs, then I will upload 2 times daily a day. Please like and subscribe. Bot lovey, please, bot lovey. Bot. Yes! I got a bot lovey. First try, bro. Nigga, first try. Shut up. I'm gonna be the leader. I'm gonna be the leader because this is bot lovey. We're gonna play with this. And a sniper gun, which is like a sniper, but it's a pistol. And this gun, which is blue or mega. I don't know. Someone. How? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna show them who's the boss. This guy looks nothing.
Greetings, spectators aboard our airship, and thank you for joining us here for this momentous event. You are now about to witness the thrilling spectacle.
Hey, shut up! Shut up! Okay, sorry. No, I'm a bot. Okay. Not gonna go there, but I'm gonna go there. Wait, maybe there. Yeah. Cause why the hell, if I got an AWP, I'm gonna kill everyone. Nope, never. I need some backups, okay? Okay. No guns, just a shotgun. I can do this. Playing like I'm playing Minecraft but fighting game. Like I have a mod. There's a multiplayer game. I don't know what to do. Okay, let's just ASAP go there. And yeah. I love my game. It is super dumb and gum. It's a very dumb game. I don't know why, but I love it still. It is the good game. I don't know why. I love it because I'm an idiot. Wait, you do not fight. Yup. Give me that. Yo, give me that. Give me this thing. Give me right now. Give me that. Wait. Give me a second. Give me that thing. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah. That's just my mom. No, just no. Okay. Hurry up. Let's go here. Let's just go. Nothing do. This is doo. Boo boo. This is boo boo. This is nothing good. This is just boo boo. This is trash. Yeah, this is trash. Yeah, heck yeah, that is trash. And do not judge me why I hate my Wi-Fi that much. Yeah, I know it's my life. I don't care, and I need it. This is super dumb. Oh my no! Stop my no! If I, okay, I'm gonna die. Yeah, this is garbage. This is literally garbage. No good. This is garbage. Like how? How can I? Yo, what the? I cannot do any damage. I did not do any damage. I did not any damage. I did not any damage. I do not any damage. Ooh, ow, ow. Whoa! Oh, ow! Ow! I need a pistol. Let's just make this a pistol. Let's just shoot one time at a time. Yes. Let's just make this a gun. Come and kill me, cause he has that gun. He has this gun. Can I please shoot one more time? And you're dead. Yeah, you are dead. No way you're gonna survive with me. Cause I'm the legendary. Please, for the love of macaroni, I need a goddamn. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This is Jake Pod. Yeah, I'm speaking about it now. This is Jake Pod, bro. This is literally Jake Pod. Like, bro, I actually need those. Delicious. Wait, where's that? Where's that? Where's that guy? Oh, he's scared. He's scared, bro. He's scared. Please, can I please find a pistol on there? I always see a pistol on this house. Wait, there's a goddamn. Yep. Please a pistol, please a pistol. Can I please get a pistol, please? Can I please get a pistol? Nope, this is not a pistol. This is a gun. Okay, now you might be wondering. I used to love miniguns. I do not like pistol. Yeah, cause I didn't know pistol was that powerful. Like yeah. If you like shoot one more time, it didn't go out. It like actually take the shot. Like I can't believe I like did 20 hit shots with this. Yeah, with the pistol. So like now that's why I'm searching and I wanna make a video. Okay. And this video was sponsored by Pistol. Okay. Oh my gosh! You got wrecked! Oh my god. Okay, let's just get 7 kills. Cause I'm using the pistols. I mean okay, let's just get 7 kills, but my goal is to like shot one time and that's it. Or just one. Not just forever one time. Just like a pistol like this. Pew, pew, pew. but not this. Pew 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 pew. No, not this one. I wanna shoot like a pistol. I need a pistol. Please, can someone give me a pistol? Please, can someone give me a pistol? I really want one. Please, can someone give me a pistol? Okay, sorry. I just screamed because I can't even find one pistol. Like, it was one pistol for Ayat. Please. Yeah. Nope. Yeah. Heck yeah. I'm gonna find one pistol. Okay, this is a lie. This is a lie. This is a real lie. Can I please get a pistol? Just for my life. Can I get a pistol? Get a bullet gun. Okay. Now let's get wait. Let's just get 5 kills. Just a little bit 5 kills. Yeah, heck yeah. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, you know what? Let's just get 6 or 7. Let's just get 7 kills on this video. No more backups, cause I got a mega pistol. And this is the bottle lobby. But do not judge, cause I have the golden shotgun and the golden AK. You want the okay? Oh, thank you. No, this is not a cool thing. This is something. I gotta run. 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 It is my job. If I die, game is over. Cause this is a lobby. I don't wanna die. This is my life. Playing for my life. Sorry for I don't care. Is that a bot there? Is there a bot? I need that thingy. Please, can I have that thing for my life? Okay, wait. Let me get the loot first. Are you? Bro, what the flip just happened? Yeah, I should go to my living room right now. I should actually go to my living room. Cause this guy's about to kill me. I'm staying literally on my Wi-Fi. My phone is gonna die. Actually, really, bro? Really? Ooh, it got so much pixel now. What the hey? Bravo! You're gonna die, boy. You're gonna die. You got no choice. You're gonna die. Yeah, My Wi-Fi. Please, can I get a headshot? Ooh! Ah! I'm a legend, bro. This is my life. I don't know what to do with my life. I'm a legend, bro. Oh my, bro. Please, can I take the loot? It's my job. If I die, my game is over. Can I please take the loot? No bow, no bro. Can I just please take the loot? This looks awesome. Can I please take the loot? And my phone is lagging like heck. Oh. That's why this guy got nothing good. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. How the heck? Bruh, do you even see me? I'm literally like close. I'm literally like halfway close. How can you? Bruh. Did you not even see me? You know what? I'm gonna. How did I just get to level 3? Like, bruh. Heck no, I'm cheating. No way I'm cheating. And this guy's about to die. Because this guy got no help. Bruh, my phone is laggy as heck. I'm gonna die because my phone is laggy. Like crazy. I just killed him. My life. My life is a happiness, but not today, because my life is a hell now. I'm gonna die by the zone. I'm gonna literally die by the zone. My phone is about to die, and I'm almost about to get the Vector with the pistol and killing everyone just with the pistol. Wait, hold up, wait. I almost died. I almost died. Oh, I almost died. I almost died. My life was ended. My life was almost ended. My name is Wild Beast, and my name is Mr. Beast, and I'm gonna play Creative Destruction. And my goal is to my goal is to get too much kill with a pistol. Yes, it's my goal, and I gotta get a victory too. So do no better. Do no better. I'm literally just. I'm a good voice actor. I'm a good voice actor. And I cannot speak like a girl. I cannot speak like a girl. And my life is dead. This guy. I see you. I see you. I you over there. I see you. I see you. Do not try to snipe me. Cause why the heck? Oh my, yep, he's moving. He's not AFK. He's literally moving. Is he gonna fight or just stay there? Cause that's cheap. Bro! Oh! Oh my gosh! Stop! Stop trying to kill me! You shame! Shame of yourself! Shame on you! Shame! Die, idiot! Shame on you! You cannot even play the game correctly! Do you even see me behind you? Bro! What is wrong? Oh my, yep. Yeah, this is not fun. This is not fun anymore. Did I just got 2 headshots? Bro! That's creepy. That's epic. But I gotta go close to my Wi-Fi. Look up there. Everything is red. For the love of macaroni, give me some power, please. Give me some kills. Give me that guy. Give me that guy. He's my guy. Give me that guy. Oh my God. Oh! Ain't nobody kill me now. Ain't nobody kill me now. Oh my God. Oh, everybody, are you recording? Great job. Ow. Oh. Wait. Oh my gosh! Oh, are you recording it? Oh my God! Oh my God! It's time to fight the boss. It's time to fight the pro players. It's time to fight the pro. Oh no, my life is gonna end there. Oh no. Okay, do not give up, Ayat. Do not give up. Screaming cause later I'm gonna end. Without Jake and a pistol. Wait, how did I? Please, I gotta fight. Someone just give me one here. Just give me the human location. I wanna go back and play a PUBG Mobile. Cause if I die, I'm dead. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. How am I taking damage? How am I taking damage? How, bruh, guys, please tell me. How did I, bro? What? Wait, what? Okay. So, my Wi-Fi! Yeah, I hate my Wi-Fi. I hate my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is garbage. It's trash. I don't know why, but I hate it. Okay, guys, thanks for watching my life. Okay. Bye. Time to die and like and subscribe, or I will sacrifice you, new YouTube.